Hi everybody, this is Merav, and today I'm going to explain how to add a module sidebar. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to change the module that you want to add in a sidebar. You want to change its module position. So let's go to Module Manager and let's choose the module we want to show, for example, latest news. Now what you want to do is you want to give it a brand new position. So let's give it like a sidebar 1. And then make sure that at the bottom it will show on all pages, otherwise the sidebar will not show up. Now don't worry, it will not show on all pages, it will only show inside the sidebar on the pages that you assign the sidebars to. Then click Save, and now let's create the sidebar. So I'm going to go to Component, iJoomla Sidebars, click to see the Sidebars Manager, and then click New. Let's see, I'm going to call it Latest News. I'm going to choose Type Module, and then I can choose the style, any of the styles that is available, and you can always edit the style later. And the heading is what's going to show on the front end. You don't have to touch the category, because we have one category by default, so you can just leave it at that. And now the module position, you want to choose the module position you just created. So here it is, sidebar 1. Now if you want to have this module automatically added to all the articles of a specific category, then just pick one of the categories here. Okay, and then you can even pick where inside the articles you want to show this sidebar. If you want it to show only in specific articles, then don't pick anything. Then you have to use Control and then click on it to get rid of it. So it will not add this sidebar automatically. Let's save this and see what happens. Now it created the sidebar for us, and now we have the tag. And this is the tag we want to add inside the article. So let's copy it. Now let's say I want to add the sidebar inside this article. So I'm going to open this article on the back end. Here it is. And I'm going to add the tag right here, or wherever I want the sidebars to show. So if I add it here in the beginning, it's going to show in the beginning. If I add it in the middle, it's going to show in the middle. So let's say I want to add it in the beginning. I add the tag here. I click Save. And now I'll go back, refresh. And here it is. This is the latest news module. Now as you can see, it says twice, latest news here and latest news here. So this, the first one, is the heading that you entered on the sidebar. The second one is the title of the module. So what we can do is we can just hide that. Let's get out of this. Go to Module Manager. Let's find this module. And we're going to hide the title. And let's refresh and see how it looks like. And now it's looking good. It has a little bit of a formatting problem, but it's looking pretty good. Now as you can see, the style it could be a little too wide for the content. So what we're going to do, we're going to change the style a little bit. So let's save this and get out of this. We're going to go back to the sidebar and maybe choose a different style. As you can see, the width of the sidebar is always in the beginning of the name. So I'm going to change it to something narrower, or even more narrow, like 160. Let's see how that looks like. I'm going to click Save, refresh, and here we go. This looks a lot more appropriate style for the sidebar. So this is it. This is how you add a module sidebar to your articles. Thanks for watching.